What up guys, welcome back. This tech airdrop again. I'm glad you joined. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can participate in this airdrop that raised over 8 million US dollars in this project alone. This is Openleger AI. Openleger AI recently launched season 2, which is a part 2. You will be able to participate in the airdrop. All you just need to do, follow the steps, you'll be able to get it right. There's a link in the description. Once you click on the link, it's going to bring you down here to my community. You'll be able to copy this link. This is the particular link, and this one is the app store for those using Android phone. But if you are using a desktop, you can use the extension from your Chrome. Now you can also use Mrs. Browser on your phone. You use the extension. So if we were to copy this link, I just copy this particular link. I'm going to go back to my Mrs. Browser to perform this task. Remember, Mrs. Browser is for Web3 projects. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the link, which I copied right now. So now I just paste the link and the site is loading. Once it loads, I will be able to activate this wheel. Now you can see this is a payable AI, fair model, fair reward on blockchain. So you'll be able to participate in the ePorch too. These are the steps you are going to use: register and have access, then complete the tax and endpoint 3, tax and endpoint daily. So first here we are going to sign in using our Google email. So I'll go ahead and click on this. Once you click on this, it's going to load you here. Go ahead, select the email you are going to use. If you have many email log into your account, so you can select the one you want. Now confirm it by clicking on continue. This is how it's going to work. Okay, it's now asking me to please wait. It's connecting. Once it's connected completely, we'll proceed to next step. Okay guys, now I just sign up now using the email address. I have 2 points currently. I have 2 points. So the next thing is completing the other tasks. So I'll just click on this, cancel this for now. Over here is where I can claim points every day. So you need to come over here. You'll be able to claim 10 points daily. Click on this and you'll be claiming 10 points daily. So I'm allowing it to load completely. You can see right here it's processing to load. Sometimes network can be a bit low. Okay, you got 10 points. You have successfully claimed. Keep your node running to get more points. So I just claim now. In the next 12 hours I will be able to claim again. Now this is how to get your referral link. If you want to invite your friends, you need to go ahead, copy this link and share with your friends if you want to invite them. Scrolling down, you see more other things to do. Now if you touch here, if you're using over here is where we can install the Ledger X. So I just started now. I'm going to go to extension. Now I'm going to install from the store. So I will be searching for the extension since I don't want to install the app. But if you want to install the app, you can get the app from my Telegram community. So what I need is to just download the extension. Okay guys, this is the extension which I'm going to use to run the knob. So I'll open the extension. Now I'm going to be able to install it on my extensions. You can see install, add to Chrome. So I'll go ahead and add. Now it's adding. So if I check here, I will be able to get it. Okay, I just successfully added it. You can see it right here. Haven't added it. Now it's asking me welcome. So what I just need to do now with this extension is to log in. I'm going to log in using the same email I use. So I'll be able to log in now. So it's processing. Okay, you can see it has been logged in with the same email because it's the email that is logging on this phone. So So I use the same email. Now this is my point. This is my point. I'll be able to claim today. I'll come back later. So anytime I want to claim again, you just need to come to your Openleger, which is extension. You use the extension. I have other extension here, but if you don't want to use the extension, go ahead, download the app on Play Store. So what I just need to do first is to go back to the page and complete some of the tasks. I have some other tasks, which is joining Discord and other information. So I have to open the page again so I can be able to see if I will be able to join some of all these tasks. Okay, let me check from here. There was a lot of tasks here which I can use to join. Okay, it's not here. Okay, it seems like the tax is not here. This one is engaged to earn. See coming soon. We'll be able to earn with that option too. Okay, engage earn. Endpoints with quick interaction. So over here you can get more points from look at step 1, connect your Twitter. Step 2, engage with tags. Step 3, claim your reward. So I believe this particular tax is still coming. Let me check it again. Okay, it's new, so we can start it. You connect your Twitter so that you'll be able to earn more. So clicking on this to bring you down here, you'll be able to see other information. You can tweet by engaging on the Twitters. You can comment. This will also give you more points, not just claiming you are not daily. So all these are the things that will give you more points if you engage in them. So with this now you'll be able to earn. If you have any other issue, you have any other question, try and drop your comment at the comment section. But if you prefer the extension, go ahead and use the extension. If you prefer the app on Play Store, you go ahead and use the Play Store. Now share the video, give me a thumbs up for more updates.